Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating 3 looks with one palette using the Urban Decay Wild Greens eyeshadow palette and Wild Lash volumizing mascara. Let's get started on the first look. The very first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with the Plouse base in the shade 0.5. This base doesn't need to be set with any powder. You can apply eyeshadow on top of it right after tapping it on. The first shade I'm dipping into is this matte olive green shade called Kale. I'm packing this all over my lid with the Morphe M506 brush. Once I've achieved a good color payoff, I'm picking up the matte, soft mint green shade called Super Greens. I'm using this to blend around the edges of what we just applied by swirling my brush around in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'm applying the shade called Stash to the bottom lash line using the Morphe JH40 brush. This is a moss green with gold micro pearls. Now I'm drawing on winged eyeliner using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I like to start by drawing the wing part first and then lining my lash line. Next, I'm adding some glitter eyeliner right above where I drew the black eyeliner. I'm taking the Sheglam Stay Wild Jelly Glitter in the shade Peacock and very carefully applying this with the super precise Plouse Acid Rain brush. Of course it's glitter, so it's going to be messy and cover up some of the black eyeliner. That's why I'm touching up the liner again, and then I'm also cleaning up the wing with some concealer using the Morphe JH42 brush. After that, I'm curling my lashes and applying the new Urban Decay Wild Lash Volumizing Mascara. The curved leaf shape on this coats the lashes really well. Finally, I'm applying the bold face lashes in the style Package Deal and tight lining with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market. And that completes the first look. For the second look, I'm once again starting with a blank slate by priming my eyelids with the Plouse base. I'm picking up the matte cool espresso brown shade called Kickback with the Morphe M506 brush. I'm applying this to the outer V and sweeping it into my crease as well. Invincible. To blend that out, I'm taking the matte rich orange red shade called Turmeric on the Morphe M562 brush and lightly sweeping this around the outer edges of what we just applied. Once again, I'm using small circular and windshield wiper motions. I'm also dragging this onto the lower lash line as well. Now I'm cutting the crease for a half cut crease look. I'm applying the Plouse base starting at the inner corner of the eye and following the crease, I'm creating a semicircular shape rather than cutting out the whole lid. Next, I'm applying a little more of the brown shade called Kickback to the outer V so that I don't have any harsh lines from where the half cut crease ends. Then I'm dipping into the shade called Fuzz and applying this to the blank space we just cut out. This is a shifty metallic orange with orange, gold, and green pearls. After that, I'm applying the frosty nude shade called Chill to the inner corner. For lashes, I'm curling my natural lashes with the Kevin Aucoin Lash Curler, applying the Wild Lash Mascara, and popping on a pair of bold-faced lashes in the style Package Deal. Finally, I'm tightlining with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Black Market, and that completes the second look. For the third look, we're priming the eyes and sticking on a piece of tape at the outer corner of the eye so that it angles towards the tail of the brow. This is going to allow us to achieve a sharp line at the outer edge of the eye as we're applying the matte green Kale shade to the outer V right up against that piece of tape and sweeping it all through the crease. After I've achieved a good color payoff from that green Kale shade, I'm picking up the dark green shimmer shade called Stash and applying this to the lid so that it remains beneath the crease. After that, I'm removing the tape to reveal that perfect line. Then I'm taking a different shimmer shade called Shift and applying this to the center of the bottom lash line and inner corner of the eye. This is a golden green shifty metallic with golden pearls. I'm drawing on some winged eyeliner again using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, but this time I'm also drawing a wing in the inner corner of the eye, and I'm lining the inner and outer parts of the bottom lash line with it. Once I've cleaned up the outer wing with some concealer, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Wild Lash Mascara by Urban Decay, and applying the same pair of lashes by Boldface called Package Deal. Finally, I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market to my upper waterline as well as the inner and outer parts of the lower waterline, leaving the center blank. And that completes the 3 looks using the Urban Decay Wild Greens eyeshadow palette. Let me know which out of the 3 looks was your favorite in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!